Hey guys, welcome to Dhaatrisolutions. Today I want to show you the library management system website. Library is the warehouse to store the books. People can borrow the books from the library to their studies or other purposes. In library, librarian can organize the books and check the availability of the books and other activities in the library. Sometimes it's complicated to manage all the activities in the library. So we are coming with the library management system website. Now see the flow of this website. This is the flow of this website. There are three modules: admin, librarian, and user. Admin can log in with the predefined login credentials like username, password, or email or password. After the login, admin can add the book categories and view the book categories. After that, add the books to the website and view the added books in the view books page. After that, library can register to the page. After registration, automatically a request was sent to admin. That request was shown in view libraries page. Admin can activate the librarian. Librarian can log in with their email and password. After that, user can register to the page and log in with their email and password. User can view the books in the view books page. After that, user can send a request to borrow that book. User can also cancel that borrow request. This request sent to librarian. Librarian can see the user request in view users request page. Librarian can accept or decline that request. If the librarian can accept the request, user can borrow that book. After that, user after user use user can return the book. They can send a return request to the librarian. If the librarian can accept the return, book is returned. If user wanted, user can also extend the due date of the book. This is the flow of this website. Now see the website. This is the website. This is the library management website homepage. Now see the admin page. Login into admin with admin email and admin password. This is the home page of admin page. You can add the categories like live add. This is the category now you added. Now go to next section, add book, book category, live, title, long leaves like that, number, something, author name, publisher, old books 2022 and add the book picture. Now add the picture of the book. I will add this book picture. Description. I write a small description and add. Book was added successfully. Now see the book. This is the book now you have now added. You can update the book. Book title change to After Love. That's it. Now see updated book. So log out from the admin page. Now go to librarian. Firstly, you new to this page, so click here to register. Name, give the name and email address, phone number and password. Click here to register. Registration successful. So now go to admin page and log into admin. They have a request sent to admin to in view admin page, login admin page, go to view librarians. This is the new registration of librarian. Now activate. After activation, librarian can log in into the website. So now give the email, register email and register password, login. So this is the home page of librarian. Log out. Now go to user. New user. Click here to register. Give the name of the user, email of the user and phone number of the user and password. Click here, register. Registration successful. Now go to user and log in with registered email and password. This is the interface of user interface. Now view the books. Choose the category. I choose life and I want this book. So send the book request. I send the book request. So log out from the user page and log into librarian with email and password. Log in into the librarian and the user request show in this page. So this is the request what I have sent. So you have accept or reject. Accept the request. So log out from this page. Go to user page. Log in with user details. Login. This is the request approved. After using the book, you can extend the due date or return the book. I want to return the book. Click the return book. Return request sent. So log out from this page and again log into the librarian page. Login. You see the view user request. Accept return. You click the book returned. Book was returned from the user. This is the overall library management system website.